Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Amanda, and today I wanted to bring you a little bit more of a soft look. I know that we've been doing some bolder looks lately, so I tried to tone it down with this look that I did today. I really do love a truly soft look, and you could totally leave the wings out in this. If you want to see how we got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, starting with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer on a Morphe M224 brush, I'm just applying that to my lids and blending that in with my surrounding foundation. Brush, I'm taking Dusty Rose from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and using circular motions applying this to my crease. I wanted to use a really big fluffy brush here to make sure it was very soft and diffused. And then you just want to keep adding color until you reach your desired intensity. Going ahead and softening that up even further with an M433 brush. I'm just continuing to add more color as I see fit. Next, 231 Luxe Petite Crease brush, I'm taking Mulberry and patting that on the outer corner of my eye, creating a little bit of a V shape. This will help elongate the outer corner of the eye and create some extra intensity in that area. And then just blending that out with a 433 again. Make this look as intense or as soft as you'd like. I tried to make it kind of a happy medium with this one. I'm just intensifying where I feel I need it. Softly blending that out. Next, on a Morphe M506 brush, I'm taking a little bit of noir and placing that on the outer corner to really emphasize that V shape. This is really going to help draw the eye upwards and outwards to create that almost cat eye effect. Next, on a Zoeva 234 Luxe Smoky Shader brush, I'm taking Dazzling from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette and patting that on the inner corner towards the middle of the eye. Instead of doing a harsh cut crease here, I really wanted to keep it soft, so I'm just applying it on the lid in the shape that I want. And then just blending that together with a little bit more Mulberry. Taking a little bit of noir on a Morphe E37 brush and just applying that to the lower lash line. I'm going to start to really smoke out the lower lashes. And then on a Zoeva 226 shader brush, 226 smudger brush, I'm taking a little bit of Mulberry and blending that out. And on a Morphe M131, I'm taking a little bit of Dreamer from that Norvina palette and applying it to my brow bone as a highlight. And then I'm just taking a little bit of Dreamer also on a Morphe 170-4 brush on the inner corner. Now, I felt as though the dazzling shade wasn't quite as intense as I would have liked it to be, so I just added a little bit of setting spray to really make that shimmer pop, but you could totally skip this step if you're looking to keep it more natural looking as opposed to more sparkly. I just did my other eye off camera. Now taking my Stila Stay All Day liquid liner, I'm lining my eyes to begin my wing. And starting from the outer corner, I'm going to create my flick, following the line created by my lower lash line. I'm going to extend that outwards, and then I'm going to create my triangle by just starting below the end of the tail and connecting the line with the center of my lash line on the top, and then just filling that in. And this takes a lot of practice, so as you get used to making wings, you won't feel so shaky as you put them on. Next, taking my Milk Makeup Kush Volume Mascara, I am just applying a couple of coats of mascara to my lashes to really help give me some extra length and volume with this look, as I am skipping lashes. And then just finishing this look off with the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Medusa. I am just starting in the center of my lips and then working my way from the outer corners inwards and filling in. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. I hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Like I said in the beginning, I was really trying to do something soft and sultry, and once again, completely up to you to put the wings in. I like them, and I feel more confident with a wing on. It's just kind of my signature look. I always have a wing on, so you could totally leave the wings out of this look and it would look gorgeous with or without. So I hope you really enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you join our little family here on YouTube. Also, all the products are listed down in the description box below, as always. Otherwise, don't forget to ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!